Hello cake friends! So last April meron nag-inquire sa atin para gumawa ng cake for her mother's birthday. So ayan yung inspiration ng cake, Taylor Swift, and ito isa din sa mga sinend ng ating client na magiging inspiration sa kanilang cake. So ginamit ko sila as reference like the color palette and yung design for the cake. So as you can see, I have extracted a few photos para makita natin yung inspiration para sa gagawin natin cake. So, I also tried to find a high resolution photo ng album cover ni Taylor Swift para gagamitin natin sa edible print. So, I started to create a cake sketch. So, yan yung base natin and yung magiging final output ng ating cake design. So I started with the process na pag shred ng ating carrots kasi yung flavor ng cake is a carrot walnut cake with white chocolate ganache na frosting. So here's a finished look ng ating carrot walnut cake, and eto na siya nung nalagyan na natin siya ng frosting at na crumb coat na natin. So, yung ginagawa ko is always tayo nagka-crumb coat and chill ng ating mga cakes para masil yung crumbs at mas malinis yung kalabasan ng ating cake. So, as you can see, yan na yung final coating ng ating mga cake. So, it is covered in white chocolate ganache na frosting. So, I also started creating yung base ng ating cake, and yung magiging design niya is may ridges siya. So as much as possible yung ginagawa natin is dapat hindi tabingi yung ating cake. As much as possible dapat straight siya. So I started with the painting process. So yung ginamit ko is printed lang mismo na Statue of Liberty, and yung ginamit ko is edible oil paint from Sugarin Philippines by Karen Portaleo. Okay, so edible oil paint po yung ginamit natin sa pagpaint ng ating mga sugar decor. So ayan yung process na ginagawa ko is mano-mano yung painting natin because I wanted na yung ilalagay natin sa cake is as much as possible edible. So ipapakita ko na yung ibang process para at least makita nyo yung process na ginagawa ko para matapos yung ating buong cake. So, nagpaint ako ng mga iba't ibang shades ng blue para sa magiging background ni Taylor Swift. So, dito naman is naglagay ako ng water sa likod ng ating edible print para idikit siya sa ating flattened na sugar dough. And then with the help of editing, ito yung magiging kalabasan natin is shortcut and magic. Yan. So ito yung other part ng process sa paggawa ko ng cake. So everything is hand painted. Ayan. So yung inspiration pala sa cake na ito is stained glass siya. So I am using a stained glass technique para mas magmukha siyang maganda. So, diba sino yung makakaisip na gagawa ng Taylor Swift na cake pero stained glass yung technique na gagamitin? So, yung mga flowers ay basically galing dun sa reference sa dress ni Taylor Swift. So, more on florals talaga yung design niya. And eto na siya, unti-unti na nabubuo natin yung ating cake. Meron siyang framing and meron siyang background. So yung cake natin is 360 degrees na punong-puno po siya ng design. So kahit iikutin mo yung cake, at least makikita mo yung likod, maganda pa rin yung cake natin. So as much as possible, I wanted my cake to be 360 degrees na ready para kahit tignan ng client sa likod is maganda pa rin tignan yung cake natin. So here's some of the final output. So, kumuha ako ng close-up photos and videos ng ating cake, pati na rin sa venue. So, gusto ko lang din pala pasalamatan yung ating friend na si Sofia from Crazy Cake Lady Iloilo for referring us to the client, since alam naman natin na sobrang busy nila, fully booked sila always. So, nakuha ni Sophie na ipasa sa akin yung client. So, ito yung itsura ng cake nung wala pa siyang royal icing na design. And ito na yung magiging after ng cake natin na meron na siyang royal icing. Pero gusto ko lang magpaumanhin kasi sobrang gandang-ganda ako sa cake na ito. Sobrang mabusisi kasi yung paggawa ng cake na ito. So, ito na yung cake sa venue. So, yung stylist pala nito is si Zarla Antonio Designs. So, siya yung stylist ng venue na kung saan naglagay tayo ng ating cake. And yung venue pala is nasa Richmond Hotel Biz Bar. So, thank you so much, Sir JV, for putting your trust in me 100%. And nakapag-update din pala si Sir JV na sobrang nagandahan daw siya sa cake. So, at least I'm actually sobrang happy yung feeling ko na nagustuhan ng client ko yung cake. So, anyway, alam ko naman na masarap naman yung cake natin kasi this is one of my signature flavors na in-offer, yung carrot walnut cake. So, bibihira lang din yung umu-order nito, pero basta sure na sure ako pag natikman nyo to, hindi kayo magsisisi. Kasi sobrang controlled talaga yung taste ng ating cake. Lalong-lalo na ako always yung nag-e-effort na aside sa pagandahin is dapat masarap talaga always yung ino-offer nating cake sa ating mga clients. So, enjoy the rest of the video and thank you so much for watching, and I do hope na if you find this video, you would hit like and subscribe sa ating page or ano man yan sa ating profile. So, thank you so much and I do hope na enjoy nyo itong video na ito. See you soon guys! Bye!